Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we are going to go over where you would add your windshield washer fluid. So this is your windshield washer fluid reservoir cap, the blue in color, and we have the windshield washer symbol. And then we can raise this up and out. And this does have some type of indicator to let you know what your washer fluid level is. And so this water will kind of get caught in those little holes, and then you'll be able to know how full it is. And then you would add your washer fluid in here and fill it up. I mean, this you can fill all the way up, or sometimes the filler neck will crack, so you maybe only want to fill it just to the top before the filler neck hits the reservoir. But you would fill this up and then be able to reinsert your tube here, or the measure, back into there and close the cap. Now, if you know that this reservoir is full and you're still not getting windshield washer fluid, well, then you're going to want to look into whether fuse has gone bad or the motor itself that runs to pump this out. And those were first things you would be looking at, the reasons why you wouldn't be fluid to get sprayed on your windows. And note, when you do fill this up, it will take about 3 liters or plus. So it takes quite a bit of fluid to fully fill it up if you need to. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, and where you can be the mechanic.